Hey friends, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by for another video. I wanted to give you guys a more of a relaxing type of clean with me today with mellow music and hopefully inspire you to get things done and clean along with me as well. These are one of my favorites to watch and I find them so comforting and soothing. So I really hope you enjoy, and with all of that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so I am going to be starting off in my dining area and kitchen and wiping down the surfaces as well as putting up the things where they belong. I usually like cleaning the most at night when everyone is asleep. That way I can take my time and not worry about any distractions or pausing and possibly not finishing. So this is actually my me time and I cherish it. I really didn't feel like cleaning this specific night since I didn't have a huge mess to begin with, but I had a lot of dishes and I didn't want to leave that many for the morning. So I just got it done and it was worth it, you guys, because it honestly feels so great waking up to a clean home and having a fresh start each morning. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? Till you added color. Alright guys, so I am not going to be doing a whole lot of talking throughout this video, but I will pop up here and there. But I just wanted to give you all as much cleaning motivation as possible and to let you guys enjoy the music while you clean, cook, or whatever it is you are doing right now. So I hope you guys don't mind and still find it relaxing. It was so much fun trying to find different songs to set this mood for you guys. You just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Alright guys, so I had several pots I needed to soak with hot water and let sit, so I'm going to be doing that and then tackling the rest of these dishes as well. And I am so grateful for this dishwasher, you guys. It has saved me so much time when before it would take twice as long to hand wash all of these dishes. It's the little things I am so appreciative of, and it definitely makes my life a little easier.
Cause darling, there is nothing right just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes.
So if you are still watching and are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I appreciate all of your love and support. It really does mean so much to me. And if you are new here, I would love to welcome you and introduce myself a bit. My name is Sydney, and I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom to twin 2-year-old boys named Aaron and Noah. And I enjoy making cleaning videos, motherhood, and lifestyle content to hopefully inspire some of you. So if you are enjoying this so far, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free, and also turn on your notification bell to not miss out on any future content. I would love it if you would also introduce yourself down below in the comments, since I have recently gained so many new friends here lately, and I love connecting with all of you here and getting to know you guys as well.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated.
Alright guys, so now I'm moving on to my living room, and all I had to do in here was tidy up a bit, and I will be sweeping and mopping the kitchen and living room afterwards, since it had honestly been way overdue.
But the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
guys, so now I am tackling my boys' playroom and getting it tidied up since it was a bit messy in here. So in here, I was actually smiling because I noticed my boys had lined up all of their little toys, and I thought it was the cutest thing, you guys. Let me know if you notice any cute things your kids leave behind when you clean up after them. I would love to know. So I don't always clean this room at night, but it had been several days since I had last cleaned it. So I thought I would just include it in this video for you guys to give you some more cleaning motivation as well.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the
Alright guys, so my boys' playroom is finally clean, and I didn't mop in here since I had mopped a few days before, but it honestly feels so amazing having it nice and tidy, even if it's just for the night, because it will be just as messy, if not worse, the following day. Let me know if you guys can relate, but you know, that's exactly what this room is for, so I definitely don't mind at all, and I love seeing them play in here. Now I am going to be finishing up by mopping the rest of the floors, and I will be all done, you guys.
hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. At a high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's After Dark Clean with me, and I hope you guys got inspired to clean along with me as well, because I know that is the last thing we want to do after a long and busy day sometimes, because I feel like that 90% of the time, but it feels so amazing getting it out of the way when I do clean and not having to worry about it the following morning. So let me know if you guys enjoyed the music, or do you like more upbeat clean with me's? I would love to know your thoughts on that. And if you made it this far, thank you guys so much for your support. And please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.